Santa number. Oh, way they go. The Oak fast to begin, rushing up. Hello, Africa. And on the further outside, Speed King, Madam Leonora, rushing up in fifth. Lady Beware, running by the Coolmore and Collective Dream is the early trailer going along for the first term. Hello, Africa leads by some 4, followed by Speed King, and racing in third by another 4 is the Oak. Moving up from the outside import, Madam Leonora, racing in fifth by some 6 lengths. Lady Beware, running by the Coolmore and Collective Dreams, working towards the back. And still, Hello, Africa by some 2 lengths, followed by Speed King in second. And racing now in third by some 5 lengths, Madam Leonora. The Oak racing in fourth, and moving up, Lady Beware. Rounding the far turn, Hello, Africa, Speed King. Rushing up now to grab the lead. And getting closer in third is Madam Leonora. The Oak, then here comes Lady Beware. And Speed King by some 2 lengths, followed by Hello, Africa. And getting closer in third, Madam Leonora. And moving up now is Lady Beware. As the race the final corner, Speed King by some 2, followed now by Lady Beware. Madam Leonora is on the outside, and down the stretch there comes Speed King. Madam Leonora moving up from the outside, Lady Beware, and Speed King. Madam Leonora sneaking on the inside. Madam Leonora in the inside, Speed King, and finally Madam Leonora. Speed King, Lady Beware, Collective Dream.
Quartet, Jim. 4,6,775 pesos. 4 cash for 634.50 pa yan. At yung double na 4,418.50.
29 ang win, 11.50 ang place. Number 6 for place.
Patuloy. Tatlong 4, 86.80 pa. Tapos yung extra double na 4,477.50. Congratulations to